I've got a beautiful Mazda CX-5. This has got the 2.2 litre SkyActive engine, so it's exceptionally economical. On a 64 plate, been really well looked after. We actually sold this 2 years ago to a customer who's just upgraded, and we're very happy to have it back in stock. It's absolutely bristling with spec, keyless entry and start, full leather interior with red stitching, electric memory seats with lumbar control, dual zone climate with heated leather, TomTom SATNAV with touchscreen functionality and Bluetooth. Has 87,313 miles on the clock. And the MMI setup with the wheel stops you having to take your eyes off the road. Also has the upgraded BOSE sound system. Front and rear sensors. All the wheels and tyres are in exceptional condition. And as with every car at Guaranteed Motors, you'll get 6 months RAC warranty. Every car goes through an 82-point RAC approved check. You'll get 12 months RAC breakdown cover. And of course the ceramic coat comes completely free of charge for the paint and fabric protection. Come down now to Guaranteed Motors.